Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Venmo password. For that, just go and open your search browser, and this method is a lot easier than the app method. Just go and enter VENMO password reset and go on your first website. Now you have to enter your phone number or email address. Tap on submit button and they will send you a reset link on your Gmail. Just go and check it out, and once you get Gmail from them, just tap on reset my password like this. It's not arrived yet, and if you don't find it on your all inbox, make sure you check your spam and trash folder, and once you get it, you'll see similar kind of interface. Just tap on reset my password and you'll get an option, and you'll be taken to a website from where you can reset your password. Just follow the prompts, and that is how you can reset your Venmo password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for